Welcome to MyProjectBazaar. Now we discuss about the project of title fire reduction using image processing in buildings and various places. Modify title fire reduction video sequence using generic color model. How to we direct? Abstract to reduce loss of life and property from fire on early warning as an imperative of fire. So the detection based light detection analysis proposed in this paper. This system used the HSV, OCB or color models in given condition to separate orange, yellow, high brightness colors and background ambient light. It's analyzed to calculate the frame difference. The overall accuracy from the experiment has been greater than 90%. The flame plays more and more important role in fire recognition. There are many scholars who do many in-depth research about flame detection and put forward number of algorithms. For example, to achieve the flame recognition according the flame colors. So we have used some techniques of Fourier transform and template to recognize the coefficient and confusion of the flame region. It's not suitable situation of small power, computational, stable and burning. So the experiment of first order matrix are not easily influenced of the environment in burning of these materials. So we have to prevent the people and give an idea for how to we detect a fire. So these are the concept. Main objective to detect the fire from video for paste color. To remove the object or fire, it will be the frame difference. So improve the accuracy. So introduction, we have used to spread quickly to cause great loss of life and property we have lost. So we have prevent and protect for the property given warning of fires. So we have many existing. It will be detect the smoke and temperature detection slower than the light detection. Now we detect the fire of monitor spread of proposed the fire detection based on the destination from smoke or heat. So the national fire detection standard, the class A object being wood, paper, cloth, rubber and plastic, it will be not occur for the fire related causes. So we have to analyze how to it will be the system trigger an audible alarm, provide the visual images of fire and red box of superimposed of the flame video sequence. In existing, there are many fire detection system video imaging described in research reports having. So the fire detection, fire smoke detection, since our existing and proposed related flame detection, it's based on color and based on pixels and based on these actions. So it will be detected the false detection of color characteristics used to research recording the flame shape recognition is a sharp corner on the contour on multi-layer of closed flame. So since the fire flame have so many shape within the video sequence, it is likely to receive the less accurate or visual information in extensive researches. So disadvantages: less accuracy, visual information, geometrical independent component analysis model. It is possible for false detection only color characteristics have been used. Proposed input videos we are converted into frame. The frames detect threshold applied. After threshold we have applied HSV OCBR and current frame subtracted previous frame. So it will be the relevant object, it will be detected. The detected part you have applied what will be we have done to detect. So this is our proposed and proposed advanced performance accuracy. It will be improved and compared to existing, and it will be a segmentation similar object of same color in unnecessary moving portion of video effectively eliminated. So main process of this function in main architecture: first you have select from dataset or any other video have an example to upload the video. So the video have a many frame, so you have convert the frame conversion and save a particular folder. After frame you have a row column wise selected how many frames you want to run the process. So for example selected 80 or 40, 100 means after you have applied the pre-processing feature extraction. So you have applied the scattering algorithm. Scattering algorithm used for segmented the colors for different way. After segmentation you have analyze the color mapping, which color it will be detect which place. After detecting the color, you have easily detect the fire. After detect the fire, you have given a voice and message alert. The voice alert, it will be a speak announcement, and message alert, it will be given for this message box. After you have detect the particular post of fire detection on single mask, it will be realized the output. Now we run about the fire detection source code. So this is the fire detection source code. Main.m is the main file. So right click, you have run. So change folder you have given. It will be given as data set automatically, given a format of AVI. So selected any videos. For example, I will selected the first one. So before you have run this coding, you have insert for the speaker or a headset you have used to analyze the command. You have open for this video. It will be taken upload. We have first step upload the video, given format and path and file name. The video, it will be run for video reader or reader or any input. After read the video, you have converted a frame. After converted frame, you have a read a single frame. After single frame, you have run another process or all frame, number of frames, n frames. So now will be the movie player act as a video. After video, it will be convert a frame. So the row column wise, how many frames it will become. So 8 rows or 10 columns, it will be converted the frame. After we have applied the color based segmentation, color image based segmentation, yellow, red, orange basic colors, it will be detected in image. Separately it will be show for the images. After images, scatter plotting, graph represent. After scatter plotting, you have detected apply for some command. You have detected what is the fire. So the fire, it will be detected. So finally that fire detection portion, you have separately show that this portion will be affected. So the first so the message box alert come in the fire detection. So this speaker 12 red band, green band, blue band we have applied. After in the band you have applied the mask function. After the mask function, which part it will be affected fired, it will be automatically detected. This is the color mapping. Color mapping, we have applied the original image. Scatter plot L star A star B space, we have applied the RGB image. After it will be detect the color, which color, yellow color, red color, green color. The fire will be detected separately. This is the frame conversion and this is the video. Some values it will be display. So accuracy, actual performance, it will become. So the performance measure graph, this is how to we have performed the analysis. The tabular column value also we have show that. So this is our whole process of fire detection. So color image based, we have detect all the values, variables, it will be store the values. So we given the input, it will be automatically detected color based only. So the message and speaker announcement alert, this is the final output.